Very good morning, students. So the previous class, so we finished about a microscope. In the term microscope, one is about a simple microscope and one is about a compound microscope is finished. In that basis, see, we discussed about a magnification related. One is at a near point and another one is at a infinite, so that we have two relations. In case of a simple microscope, we have two relations. One is at a near point magnification and second one is another one is at an infinite magnification. So that is for simple microscope. As well as the compound microscope also we finished. In that also we derived the two expressions. One is at a near point magnification and one more is, we can say, infinite magnifications. So suppose you go through that derivations and you read the two, simple microscope as well as compound microscope. Now on that basis I told you to do the problems. No problem, I will explain the problems also. One, two I will explain you, then after you will also get the idea. See the page number 55, question number will be 6. Question number is 6. Let us, I will read the question. A compound microscope consists of an object length of a focal length is 2 cm. There is a given data I am writing now. So the objective focal length f0 is given. It is to be 2 cm, clear? And eye length, focal length is given, that is to be 5 cm is given. When the object is placed at a 2.2 cm from the objective lens, see, objective focal length is given, eye lens focal length is given. Then the object is placed at a distance of 2.2 cm from the objective lens. So that 2.2 cm is the object distance, so which we can take as u0 for object distance. And here, so the final image is at a 25 cm from the eye lens. See, there will be a final image will be least distance distinct vision. The image will be formed. So the image distance it is which is formed at a least, that is 25 cm is given. So 25 cm in the sense is which we can call as the LDDV, least distance of distinct vision. The image will be formed at a 25 cm. Final image it is. That means here that is the objective lens, I mean eye lens is formed at this final image is 25 cm. Let us what is the distance between the lens? First one is asking what is the distance between the lens. So this is we have to get the L here. Second one is asking what is the total magnification, also asking. So that capital M is asking. Of course here we should find first of all L, then after total magnification. See, I will give you for these two. First one L is asking, no, that is the distance between the lenses, no, that we can say V plus U E. V is nothing but a image distance which formed by the objective lens. So that this we have to get. And here this is the object distance, it is from the eye lens. Right. So second one is asking what? So here it is asking magnification, that is the small m or capital M is equal to, it is V by U into, right? At a near point is asking, no, so that you say it is a 1 plus D by F. So D already is there and Fe already given because it is by the lens. Which lens it is? Eye lens it is. So that V by U of 1 plus D by Fe. D already is there, Fe is already is there, but we don't know V and U. U is there, of course. So we should get a V. See, for that purpose you take a first one, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. It is a lens formula. By using this, you take as a f naught, here you take a v, and you take as a, it is like this. So here f naught is there 2 centimeter and u also is there, right? So that it is f naught we can take as a positive because it is in the direction of a light rays only. So that you take as it is f naught will be same, and it is minus, no, 1 by v, minus of minus u naught will be, it is measured opposite, no, minus 2.2. It is like v plus 2.2. So 1 by v is equal to this, you take this side, that is minus 2.2, then 1 by v is equal to 2.2 minus 2 by 2 into 2.2. So approximately it is 0.2 by, then you cancel 2 by 44. So v is equal to 44 by 2. See, it may be 22 centimeters. The image formed by the objective lens is at 25 centimeter. This is the image distance. Of course, it is opposite to the image will be formed in the same direction. We can take it as a v is a positive. Now, this is for which one? By using a objective lens. Now let us will move to the eye lens. What about eye lens? Yeah, 1 by fe is equal to 1 by ve minus 1 by ue you take. Because now we have to find the ue because we don't know ue. Clear? So in this, let us fe is there. It is a 5 centimeter, right? And as well as the final image is formed at a 25 centimeter, ue also is there. So that we should get at this one, no? Then 1 by u, this you take 1 by ue is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by fe it is. Right? Substitute now these values. So whatever the given values here you put there, then we'll get the image which is measured. It is 25 centimeter. It is 1 by 25 centimeter, and fe value is there 5 centimeters. So that after applying the sign convention, we may get 1 by u is equal to 1 by 25 plus 1 by it is I think 5. So you take a simplification, it is 5 plus 25 by 25 into 5. So ue is equal to 30 by, I think it is 25 once. So maybe it is 30 by 625, right? 5 5s are, I'm sorry to say, 5 5s are 25, 25, 5 2s are 10, and it is 125. So ue is equal to 125 by 30. Clear? It is approximately, we may get the 4.16 centimeter. Now we know ue like this. Clear? Now we know ue and we know v and we know v, u, d, f. These are all values. Substitute in these expressions, get the values. So first of all you go for the L is equal to v plus ue. So L is equal to v. So that v value is there. Where it is v? 22 plus ue 4.16. Approximately 26.16 centimeter. This is the distance between the two lenses. Like here, m we have to get, m is equal to v by u of 1 plus d by f. So that you take this one directly here you take, because second one, no? That is a second bit is asking. So m is equal to v. So that what is v? 22 by u. What will be the u? U is the object distance, no? 2.2, right? 1 plus 25 by fe, 5 centimeter. 5 ones, 5 5s. 22 by 2.2 into 6. So it is 22 0 by 6 by 22. 22 ones, it may be, right? It is tens, right? So m is equal to 10 into 6. See, approximately 60 is the magnification. The linear magnification will be like this. So this is the second bit and it is the first bit in this question. You can go through like this, then we'll get the answers are to be like this. This is the one example related to given compound microscope. Right. The next question you look at. Page number 56. Question number is 10th. See, a focal length of objective and eye lens, eyepiece of a compound microscopes are given. So that f naught is given as 4 centimeter and f is given as 6 centimeter respectively. If an object is placed at a distance of 6 centimeter from the objective, so that the object from the objective lens there is a distance of object is given 6 centimeter. What is the magnification produced by the final magnification? Capital M is asking. Capital M is equal to V by U 1 plus D by Fe. Of course Fe is there, but we don't know the image formed by the objective lens. Again you take same, because image formed by the objective lens is, that we can say 1 by f naught is equal to 1 by v naught minus 1 by u naught, because we should get a v, no, that you take v naught is equal to v. Okay, then therefore first of all we should get which one? V naught or v we can say, because we don't know v naught. So f naught you write, otherwise v naught is equal to 1 by f naught minus, or it is 1 by like this. So here f naught, it is in the same direction, so that you take that is the positive 4 plus it is object is measured in the opposite direction, no? So that 1 by v naught is equal to minus 6 plus 4 by, right? We can take like this, so that the final will be, what will happen here? It is say we may get the expression to be like this, or else you say it is the minus you take here. So 1 by v naught is equal to 2 by 24, so will be 12. V naught is equal to, it is 12 centimeter. The image distance is, it is 12. Now is asking what? The magnification produced. Capital M is equal to, here you take at a distance of least distance of distinctive vision 25 centimeter you take. Now V is nothing but a 12 by U is nothing but a 6. 25 by, here given as F is 6. So it is 6 1s 6 2s. M is equal to 2 of 6 plus 25 by 6, 2 1s 2 3s. So M is equal to 31 by 3, approximately 1.9 magnification. This is the magnification. Sorry, 3 1s, it is 30, no? Yeah, that 10.9 it is. Okay, because it is 0.3, no? So this is the next question on the basis of this compound microscope question. Right, coming to the next one. On this basis, we have the problem is, so there are other two problems are there. I'll explain you how to do. Then based on that, you go through the questions. This is help you, right? So the page number 61. So look at page number 61, question number 2.12. I'll read the question. What is given data, I'll explain you. Then based on that, we have to do the problem. right? See, I'll read the question. A person with a normal near point 25 centimeter using a compound microscope with objective focal length is given as, see, there will be objective focal length, it is 8 mm, right? And coming to the eye lens focal length is given, Fe is equal to, it is 2.5 centimeter. Can bring an object placed at a 2 mm. The object is placed at a 2 mm. You say it is, I think 2 mm is given. And coming to from the objective in a sharp focus, what is the separation between the two lenses? Of course, L is asking. L in the sense is, we can say like this. Calculate the magnifying power of the microscope. Yes. Final magnification is asking. That we should get. It is the first one. And second, M is equal to V by U, 1 plus D by Fe. Of course, you take a D is equal to 25 centimeter. It is over. Fe is there. But we don't know V. And also we don't know, we know U. So that first V we should find. Then after U, E also we should find. See. By first one, objective lens you take, therefore 1 by F naught is equal to 1 by V naught minus 1 by U naught. So that here V naught is nothing but you say as V. Now 1 by V naught is equal to 1 by F naught plus 1 by U naught. F naught is given, it is given in 8 mm, no? Okay. It is given in 8 mm, so that you convert into centimeters, 0.8 centimeter here. Here also 0.2 centimeter. So 1 by V naught is equal to, you write as 0.8 minus, because it is measured in opposite, no? So that you say 0.2. 1 by V naught is equal to 0.2 minus 0.8 by, it is a 0.8 into 0.2. So 1 by V naught is equal to, suppose you subtract this, what will happen? Minus 0.6 by, it is 1.6. So V naught is equal to approximately 16 by 6. So that 8, 3. V naught is equal to 2. Here will be 2 there, no? 2.6. This is the image distance formed by the objective lens. Now V naught is over. That is, we can say V. Clear? Now we should get the same, in the same way, here we should get a UE also. By using eye lens, you take 1 by Fe is equal to 1 by Ve minus 1 by UE. In this, Fe is there, of course, we know Fe, and we know Ve also, because it is the final image, no? Therefore from here like you write, so therefore UE is equal to, it is Ve will be minus 25, right? Then it is minus 25, it is minus by Fe, no? Fe is nothing but a 2.5. So again you simplify here, you may get like this, 1 by UE after simplification minus 11 by 25. So UE is equal to 25 by 11. So that UE is equal to minus 2.27 centimeter it is. UE is finished. Now we have all values are there. By using this all, let us we have to find L and capital M. So the first one you take, capital L is equal to V plus UE. So L is equal to V, that is 2.6. You say 2.27. See, approximately we'll get 4 point, it is 87. This is the distance, right? And coming to the capital M, that is a magnification will be V. What is V now? So we know V is nothing but a 2.6. and u is nothing but a 0.2. Here 1 plus 25 by Fe is given as 2.5. So cancel this. Capital M is equal to 26 by 2, approximately 13 it is. 2.5 plus 25 by 2.5. So that capital M is equal to 13 of, it is 2.5, no, it is 27.5 by 2.5. So that you simplify this, you may get the answer, right? This is maybe approximately the final answer will be 88 after simplification. Like this, the questions related to compound microscope as well as the simple microscope, right? So these are the problems related to the compound and simple microscope. In the next class, we'll see that is about a telescope. I'll finish it in the next class related to the telescope, right? Thank you very much. We'll see in the next class.